How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube application on your device. Now make sure that you logged into your account. Proceed by tapping on profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap gear icon at top right corner to access settings section. Now you need to scroll down and on the video and audio preferences section, tap on captions. Now make sure that you toggle the button on for caption preferences and now tap on language. Currently it has been set to English. You can easily scroll to the bottom of the screen and find a caption language which is convenient for you. For me, it's English, that way I have set it to English. Come back. Now you can further change the text size. You can make it to small, very small, medium or very large as well. You can even tap on caption language or caption style and set by application or make it on black and white and different kinds. You can easily see the preview at top of the screen. And in this way you can easily change caption language on YouTube app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.